to learn EVS subject. Class 3, chapter number 5. Now we'll continue the chapter. Our food. Chapter name is our food. Our topic is about balanced diet. Balanced diet. A diet that is lacking in nutrients can lead to different health problems. A diet that is lacking in nutrients means जो हम फूड लेते हैं वो फूड में न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं होता. लैकिंग इन न्यूट्रिएंट्स में उनमें उस फूड में से न्यूट्रिएंट्स नहीं मिलता and can lead to different health problems. And we are getting health problems. हमारी health वीक हो जाती है. Okay? And unbalanced diet causes tiredness and lack of growth. And we are not eating balanced diet. We are taking unbalanced diet. So we feel tiredness means हम थक जाते हैं. Yes, and lack in growth means हमारी हाइट बढ़ने में भी हेल्प नहीं करता. Okay, and बॉडी बनाने में भी हेल्प नहीं करता. And development. A balanced diet contains right amount of protein. Protein, we get proteins in dal, almond. Yes, carbohydrates, potato, wheat, rice, maize. We get carbohydrates. Fat, milk, meat, eggs, cheese, butter. We get fat from this type of food. Fiber. We get fiber from spinach. Okay. Then iron from jaggery. Jaggery means good. That is also good for our health. Jaggery. Vitamins, minerals. We get minerals from water. Minerals होते हैं ना पानी में. Yes. A diet that is lacking in nutrients. A diet that is lacking in nutrients can lead to different health problems. An unbalanced diet causes tiredness and lack of growth and development. A balanced diet contains the right amount of protein, carbohydrates, fat, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Balanced diet. What is meant by balanced diet. We should eat that kind of food that we are balanced in our diet. A diet that is lacking in nutrients means जिसमें nutrients कम होता है. हम वो फूड खाते तो हमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलेगा? नो. लाइक पिज्जा में कोई न्यूट्रिएंट्स होता है? नो. इफ वी ईट पिज्जा वी गेट न्यूट्रिएंट्स? नो, वी विल नॉट गेट एनी न्यूट्रिएंट्स. ओके, सो लैकिंग इन न्यूट्रिएंट्स. जो फूड हम खाते हैं उसमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स होना चाहिए. वी शुड ईट दैट काइंड ऑफ फूड. इन न्यूट्रिएंट्स कैन लीड टू different health problems. If we not get nutrients, if we are not getting nutrients, the such kind of food, so we get health problems. हमारी health में problems आएगी. Yes, हमारी health में problems आएगी. Why? Because we are not eating nutritious food. Compulsory get nutrients. Okay, we should eat that kind of food. We are getting different kind of health problems. We will be weak, we'll get some disease, okay? An unbalanced diet causes tiredness. Tiredness means थकान. हमें थकान फील होती है ना, थक जाता है, जल्दी से थक जाता है. And lack of growth. फिर हम ग्रोथ भी नहीं हो, हमारी बॉडी ग्रो नहीं होगी, हमारी हाइट बड़ी नहीं होगी. And development. A balanced diet contains right amount of protein. Balanced diet में क्या होता है? Right amount of protein. Dal. In dal there are many proteins. So you should take a dal. In almond also there are proteins. Carbohydrates. Potatoes, rice, wheat, maize. There are carbohydrates in such kind of food. Fat, milk, then butter, cheese, ghee, paneer. Fibers, spinach. There is a fiber in spinach. Vitamins and minerals. We should eat this kind of food so our diet will be balanced. Okay? We should not eat junk food. In junk food we do not get any nutrients, vitamins, minerals. We should eat this such kind of food. We get from that food like proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins, and food. And then what is meant by development? Do you know? Development means progress. Progress में भी तो हेल्थ होती है ना, हमारी प्रोग्रेस होती है नहीं होती है. डेवलपमेंट, ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. टायरेंस एंड लैक ऑफ ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. लैक ऑफ ग्रोथ मीन्स हमारी हाइट नहीं बढ़ी, हमारी बॉडी भी नहीं बढ़ी. डेवलपमेंट मीन्स प्रोग्रेस. Milk in a day. How many times do we eat in a day? There are 3 meals in a day. Yes, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There are 3 meals in a day. Breakfast is the first meal. Of the day. Children who have breakfast before going to school are usually more active. Yes. Yes, child, when you are coming to school, that time you have a breakfast at home, you should take milk. You are having milk? Yes. One glass of milk you have to have it. You have to take it. 1 glass of milk you should have it. And you should do some breakfast also, like chapati, or you can eat fruits also. Understood? Now about lunch. Lunch is the second meal of the day. In lunch, what you have it, what you take it in the lunch? With chapati, sabji, dal, rice, salad. We take in the lunch. When we take in the lunch after going to school. When you are going to school, back to home. When you're going back to home from the school, that time to have a lunch. We have a lunch in the afternoon time. Good. What we have in the lunch? हम क्या खाते हैं लंच में? चपाती, सब्जी, सलाद, राइस, दाल, buttermilk, okay, then roasted papad. This all having a lunch. Chapati, rice, dal, salad, sabji, raita, etc. This all we have in our lunch. ये हम दोपहर को खाते हैं, afternoon time. Now about dinner. Dinner is the last meal of the day. At night, we should have a meal. Milk. We take chapati, sabji, dal, salad, etc. Or you can take pizza also, pani puri, then samosa, pav bhaji, dinner. Dinner is the last meal of the day. When we have a dinner at night. हम dinner कब करते हैं? रात को करते हैं. Yes. Dinner is the last meal of the day. At night, we should have a meal. रात को हम खाते हैं. Yes. What do we eat at night? We take chapati, sabji, dal, salad, pizza, pani puri, samosa, pav bhaji, etc. This kind of food do we eat at night? Pizza. Have you heard that you are eating pizza in the afternoon time? Your mother makes pizza in the afternoon time? No. She makes pizza in the dinner. Samosa also. She makes samosa in the lunch time. Lunch में तो बनाते? No. This all kind of food we have in the dinner. Now what we have studied today, let us revise once again. We have learned about our food. Food. Where do we get food from? We get food from plants and animals. From plants we get fruits, vegetables, cereals, grains, And from animals we get milk. Who give us milk? Cow, buffalo, goat give us milk. Hen gives egg and milk. Vegetarian people, they eat plant food. Non-vegetarian people, they eat animals like meat, chicken. So they are non-vegetarian people. Energy giving food means we get food from, we get energy. In which food we get energy? We get food from rice, wheat, yes, then potato. These all are energy giving food. जिस food से हमें energy मिलता है, that is energy giving food. Understood? Food from starch. Food with starch. जिस food में starch होता है, that food with starch. Potato, wheat, then rice, maize. These all are starch food. Fat food. Butter, egg, milk, fruits. These all are fatty food. Bodybuilding food. In bodybuilding food, you have to take pulses, meat, egg, fish, curd, milk, and milk products. These are bodybuilding food. Pulses, meat, fish, cheese, curd. These help us to grow and this help us to increase our height and to grow. Protective food. Protective food is fruits and vegetables. You should eat protective food. If you will eat protective food, you will never get disease. You will never get any infections. Like fruits, vegetables, milk, nuts, pulses, etc. These all are protective food. Balanced diet. You should have a balanced diet जिसमें हमें प्रोटीन्स मिलता है, न्यूट्रिएंट्स, मिनरल्स, विटामिन. जिस फूड में ये सब होता है, we should eat that kind of food. We should not eat junk food. In junk food उल्टे का हमारा न्यूट्रिशन कम हो जाता है. जब न्यूट्रिशन होता है ना, we should not eat junk food. Junk food is not good for our health. Meal in a day. We have a meal 3 times in a day. In the morning time, afternoon time, and in night. In morning you have a breakfast. When you are coming to school, before coming to school, you have a breakfast at, है ना? You have a breakfast at home. अब नाश्ता करके आते हो स्कूल आने से पहले. Yes. Lunch time. Back to home after going to school. School जाने के बाद आप घर जाते हो तब आप क्या लेते हो? लंच लेते हो. We have a lunch in the afternoon time. Yes. We take chapati, sabji, dal, rice, salad, roasted papad, buttermilk, many more. Dinner. We have a dinner at night. We take sabji, chapati, dal, rice, pizza, burger, pani puri. These all are food we take the dinner time. In between these meals, we should have snacks. Yes, शाम के टाइम पे आपको भूख भी लगती है. That time what we have a snack. That means नाश्ता. आप नाश्ता करते हो ना? We have a snack. It is important to have at least one fish every day. Yes. You should have one fish every day. You have to take fruit according to season. जिस सीजन में जो फ्रूट आता है वो आपको फ्रूट खाना जरूरी है. Fast foods or junk food such as burgers should be avoided as they are not very healthy. Beta, you should not eat junk food. They are not very healthy. They are not good for our health. We should have a healthy food like chapati, rice, dal. These all are healthy food. Fruits. Yes. Avoid यानी हमें इसे दूर रहना है बर्गर से, पिज्जा से. Okay. These foods can harm our body and teeth. Yes, this kind of food if we are eating, so this does harm to our body. हमारी बॉडी के लिए नुकसान है ना, हानिकारक है ये हमारी बॉडी के लिए. We should have nutritious food at the right time. Yes, we should eat nutritious food. Do not talk while eating food. It is not good for our health. Yes, when we have a food, जब हम खाना खाते तब बातें नहीं करना चाहिए, because that is not good for our health. हमारी हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. हम जब खाते खाते बातें करते ना तब, that is not good for our health. Understood? Now we do a exercise. Exercise. Pick the correct option. We eat food every day because it is very important to stay sad, happy, alive. Beta, we eat food every day because it is very important to stay sad, happy, alive. हमें जीने के लिए तो फूड खाना चाहिए ना. So we become the alive. That food give us energy to work and liquid, junk, protective, energy giving, protective. That food give us energy to work and play. Which food give us energy? Liquid, junk, energy giving or protective? Energy giving. Pick on the energy giving. First, growing children need more dash food. Bodybuilding, energy giving, protective. Growing children need more dash food. Which type of food they need for growing children? They need bodybuilding food, energy giving or protective. Which food they need? They need bodybuilding food. Food. A diet that is lacking in dash can lead to many different health problems. Sand, water, nutrients, air, or diet that is lacking in dash can lead to many different health problems. Sand, water, nutrients or air. Nutrients, on the nutrients. See, why we have clicked on the nutrients? क्यों हमने nutrients में टिक किया? Because lacking in इसमें से क्या कम होगा तो हमारी हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम ठीक हो जाएगी. क्या कम होगा? Obviously nutrients. सैंड तो नहीं चाहिए. हम सैंड खाते हैं नहीं खाते हो? No, we are not having sand. Water. We have in water, but इसमें nutrients भी होता है. Minerals. In water there are minerals. Air. Lacking in air. हमें air की जरूरत है? No. हमें किसकी जरूरत है? Nutrients की ना. That is why we have to become a nutrient. See, question. Dash is the first meal of the day. First meal of the day. Lunch, breakfast, dinner. Which is the first meal of the day? Breakfast, because you are having breakfast in the morning time. That is why breakfast is the first meal of the day. Okay? Fill in the blank. Each type of food perform a specific dash in our body. What it perform? Function. Protective food protect us from dash and dash. Protective food हमें किससे protect करता है? Infection and disease. Bodybuilding food helps in making our dash and dash. Bodybuilding क्या help करता है? क्या बनाने में help करता है? Muscles and blood. At noon we should have a dash lunch. हमें दोपहर को कैसा लंच खाना चाहिए? Lightly. Dinner is the dash meal of the whole day. हम डिनर क्या है? लास्ट. हम रात को ही खाते हैं ना. लास्ट. डिनर इज द लास्ट meal of the day. 3 nutrients present in. Nutrients किसमें present है? एनर्जी गिविंग फूड में है, बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड, प्रोटेक्टिव फूड, ये सब उसमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स उसमें प्रेजेंट है. नेम 3 nutrients. Present in energy giving food, Bodybuilding food. Protective food. Energy giving food. Butter, ghee, egg. Bodybuilding food. Pulses, fish, meat. Protective food like fruits, vegetables, and nuts. These are three nutrients present in this. These all are nutrients present in. Now we have completed the chapter.